Welcome back to the Techie Bytes by ResoluteAI.in. Don't forget to check out our previous videos if you are new to this channel. Also, to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified for future content. These are the topics that we have covered so far in this series. So, in the last video you said that there is a way that we can create an app for reports that we have created.
Yes, in Power BI, you can create an app to distribute your reports to a broad audience. In Power BI, we can create official packaged content of dashboards, reports, and then distribute it to a broad audience as an app. Apps are created in workspaces where members can collaborate on Power BI contents with their colleagues before publishing the finished app. So, first of all, to create an app, you need a Power BI Pro or Premium per user license. We are in the Power BI service logged in. So, to create an app, go to the apps. You can see now there are many apps and templates available. We can choose any of them as per our requirements. So, we'll select the COVID one. Get it now. Fill out all the information and then click on install. It will take a while. Now go to app directly from here. I have successfully installed the app template. This is how it will look like. It's showing this with a sample data. Now to add our dashboard reports in it, go back where your reports are in the workspace. So in my case, it's in the demo workspace. Here is our report which we want to show in the app. Right now I have only one, but we can have so many. And then click on create app. We have to do a few setups here. You can upload your logos and change the color as well. Show contact info. If any issue occurs in the app, user can use that. You can edit the app name, add a description, a support site for users. Now, go to the next navigation panel where we will edit the site panel. Here, you can add section to the site panel. Let's add here about us. Now let's add a link here to a website. Copy the URL and paste it here. We get three options here. So here it will be open this in new tab. Let's add for second option a link to a LinkedIn page of Resolute AI company. Copy the URL and let's keep it current tab only. And a third for the third one. Let's use the same link. Now it's for the open in tab content area. And sometimes it doesn't work because it requires some certain permission. So we'll see if that works or not. You can change the links order up or down. And now the third tab, permissions. Here you can set permission for your app. There's two options, for entire organization or for specific individual or group. Here you can uncheck these. Installation. So if you want this app to install on every Power BI user in your organization, then you can check it. Now after you are done, you can publish your app. You can copy URL here to share with others or directly go to app. This is how it will look like with your contents. You can use the side panel to navigate to other pages. Here is the added About section. This link of website should open in new tab. And it's working.
Nice. But say if in future I want to unpublish my app, then how can I do it?
Let's go back to the dashboard. To unpublish the app, you can go to the workspace which contains the app contents and click the three dots, Unpublish app, and then it will unpublish successfully.
Okay, that's nice. Also, I was curious about the different ways to share our reports.
Let's go back to our report, and here you can share your reports with others and even with external user if you have a Power BI Pro license. Or you can export it in PowerPoint or PDF, then share, or save a copy, download as PBIX file, and many stuff to share it with others. And now you can keep practicing with Power BI and keep learning. Thanks for watching.